Welcome to the Healthy Channel. In this video, we will be discussing an often overlooked plant with surprising health benefits, purslane. Despite being considered a weed, purslane is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can benefit your overall health in numerous ways. Here, we will be exploring the top benefits of purslane that you might not know about. Don't forget to leave a comment to support our channel development and share your experience with purslane. Purslane is a plant with the scientific name Portulaca oleracea, which is often considered sugar in the United States. This plant originates from India, Persia, and northern Africa, and is known as an invasive plant because it spreads so quickly. The plant even spreads rapidly before reaching a sufficient height, so that it tends to cover the ground like vines on the ground. In some areas, this plant has different names, such as little hogweed, verdolaga, common purslane, portulaca, and pursley. For those who know the benefits of this plant, the leaves are often consumed as a flavoring for soups and stir-fries. The leaves of this plant also tend to be watery, so they can add texture to salads. In addition to its benefits from the culinary side, this plant also has many ingredients that are beneficial for the health of the body. Each serving, or about 43 grams of purslane, contains 0.86 milligrams of iron, 9 milligrams of vitamin C, 29 milligrams of magnesium, 212 milligrams of potassium, 28 milligrams of calcium, 19 milligrams of phosphorus, and many other beneficial ingredients such as manganese, copper, and vitamin B2. With so much content in purslane, this plant, which is often considered a weed, is a plant with surprising benefits. Here are the top benefits of purslane that we can tell you. Purslane to prevent cancer. Until now, cancer is a deadly disease, and there are not many cases of cancer that can be completely treated with medical treatment. Maintaining a lifestyle by regulating food intake that can prevent the growth of cancer cells is the best way to live a healthier life. Purslane is one of the best types of anti-carcinogenic plants with high levels of vitamin C and vitamin A. These two types of vitamins act as powerful antioxidants to fight cancer-causing free radicals. Various studies have shown that sufficient intake of vitamins A and C can reduce the risk of cancer, especially mouth and lung cancer. Apart from these two vitamins, purslane also contains beta-cyanins and beta-xanthins, which are anti-mutagenic in the body for cancer prevention. Purslane prevents headaches and migraines. Headaches and migraines can be prevented or alleviated by a high intake of vitamin B2. If you go to the doctor and complain of migraines, the doctor will usually recommend that you take riboflavin, which is 400 milligrams of vitamin B2. Actually, you can find this vitamin in purslane. Adequate intake will prevent or reduce the duration of the migraine that you experience. Purslane for stronger bones. Various important minerals present in purslane make this plant beneficial for your bones. Calcium, iron, manganese, and magnesium are the main elements in purslane to ensure bone growth while maintaining bone density and preventing various bone problems such as osteoporosis in old age and other bone diseases. Purslane is good for the heart. In this case, heart health is greatly influenced by the amount of bad cholesterol in the blood. Various studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce the amount of bad cholesterol in the blood, so that health problems such as cardiovascular disease, atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes can be prevented. By consuming purslane, you ensure adequate intake of omega-3 fatty acids because purslane is a plant that is rich in this. Purslane helps to lose weight. Purslane contains very few calories, so purslane can be an option for those of you who are on a weight loss diet. Purslane will make you feel full longer without increasing your calorie intake, which might increase your weight. Purslane for wound healing. Every serving, or about 43 grams of purslane, contains 0.86 milligrams of iron, which is 11% of the recommended daily value. Iron plays an important role in the wound healing process by helping the formation of red blood cells faster and ensuring that oxygen can be properly transported to all parts of the body so that the wound healing process also goes faster. Given that there are so many beneficial ingredients in purslane, this plant has benefits that are sometimes not revealed in scientific research. If you have experience with this plant, you can contribute by adding a comment. Hopefully, this video is useful. To support this channel development, we really hope for your comments. Thank you and see you in the next video.